Hey guys, we got a massive box today. What? We did a video with this. It was called The Most Incredible Skateboard Invention of All Time. This is a system that helps people learn how to skateboard because you can change it from a balance board to a skateboard to balance balls board. One board, countless options. Scoot, skate, bounce, balance. Morph board with the new blue colorway. What? Let's go. Morphboard.com.
Dude, he nailed that kickflip test.
First try! What do we got right here? We got the balance. Wow. Lock this in. For those long winter months when you can't skate. Then we have the bounce part.
Whoa.
This should be a whole video.
Yeah, I agree.
What in the world? Look at that, it's so sick.
She's alive.
It's pretty good. You know what time it is.
Whoa.
You guys can check this out at morphboard.com and check out the last video we made with it. All right, guys, we have another challenger for the world's strongest skateboards. So this one here says, I made it, you skate it, diamond skateboard. No! Wow. It looks like carbon fiber with some kind of material all around it. Dear Braille Skateboarding, this skateboard is made out of carbon fiber, epoxy. I can't wait to see what you can do with it. Much love, Diamond Skateboards.
Are we gripping it?
Yeah, let's grip it.
It doesn't look very flexible, so I think it's gonna break. I'll do that to you. Here, watch.
Got him!
I'm officially scared of Aaron.
Troy, hand me those trucks. Don't! Oh, we got some grip tape. Let's go. I need a razor.
This is a payback.
Go. I ain't scared.
That hurt?
I feel no pain.
Aaron, your grip job.
So good, right?
It's not going above 9 feet, guaranteed.
I'm saying it's going 10.
Hurry up.
He's in his own world.
I mean, that's not.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. That wasn't me, just for the record.
That was
Hit your toe?
scary.
Yeah.
It literally came at us. That's why I didn't want to do it.
It literally went through the light.
Here, try it again, but make it go straight.
It literally climbed the whole wall.
That was really scary to watch.
What have you done?
Well, that's the last video I'm skating in for a few months.
So sorry. Are you okay?
I'm just scared still. Like,
Scarred for life.
Wait, what did it look like from your
imagine a big board coming straight at you.
Well, can we evacuate the area and try it again? All right, we're gonna do that before we skate this thing. What did I hit?
Okay, world's strongest, my toe.
Is it broken?
I think so. Straight up, yeah.
Aaron, evacuate the area.
It's like a 55-pound knife. Look at that, right
Yeah,
there.
that's where it hit Aaron's
Ooh.
iron toenail.
Eesh.
I'm ready.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
What if it just busted out?
This
What
thing
mean?
is freaking crazy.
Oh, metal.
All the way through the first ply.
If you would have gotten like 5 more feet of run up, I bet it would have blasted out the roof and kept going.
All right, well, let's see if we can break this carbon fiber board. Okay, guys, in classic style of the world's strongest board, we are going to do this through the full test. These guys are going to play a game of skate first, but then we are going to do the chip test, the tail scrape test, and then we're going to do the front lip slide on a small rail test. And let's see how long this thing lasts. Let's go. Let it rip, partners. I don't know what I'm doing. Anything, everything, anywhere.
Alright, kickflip, one flat. Just to see how it is.
Ooh.
It's got really nice pop.
Oh. Dude.
That had a lot of pop. I don't know, that was weird.
Can I try it?
Wow.
You're wrong.
It didn't break. It's good. It's good.
It's a good stuff. Thanks.
I just got some fat splinters.
Back 180, lying like this, 180, like that.
Wow. Seriously? Is that even a thing?
Dude, I could have broke my foot right there. You see it?
Bear.
Yes!
Looks like a letter for me.
Oh! Held on to it. Wow. Oh, that was such a pressure shot. What? Troy!
Dang, Troy.
I think he likes the carbon
really?
fiber board.
Yeah, I kind of like this board.
You're gonna change?
Pops nicely.
Because you can pop up and you don't have to try
I'm
as
at
hard.
T, dude. I gotta really go for the throats.
Wow! Troy, you are showing out and I like it. I really like it.
This could be my first game ever. I told him to win. This could be the first one.
First win ever.
Documented.
This could be historical. Don't hesitate. Watch!
Just go.
Oh, you got it! You got it. Do it again. You have one more try.
That's sketch. It's so steep.
You have one more try. You got it.
I'm out of here. My shoes are dirty. My back is dirty.
Wow, look, you look like an actual skater. Troy's an animal.
He's an animal. I just wanted to send one trick and didn't get to do it.
You did though.
Well, I wanted
You did send. You
another
just
one.
almost died. Oh! Oh! Go get that! Go get that! Yeah!
Wow. Okay, who do we got? Who's next?
Troy.
Troy?
I don't know what to do.
50-50.
I was kidding.
He can. He's already 5 up.
Troy is going for that first W right now.
Troy's a madman.
Troy's a monster.
That feels awfully
Troy, your
shaky.
first win, dude. At stake. You got this. You got this. I'm giving you the power.
Oh, I feel it.
Feel it coursing. You can do this. You got to get your
Look
first
at the
win,
Gavin
Troy.
fuse.
You got to get your first win.
Dude, man.
Just full send. Just
Weird
Be
kinda
calm,
stuff.
composed.
A Buddhist monk. A Buddhist monk.
I think.
My toe is sore.
Is it okay? Is it broken?
Oh, dude. You know that adrenaline thing I was talking about? That like, I felt like the back truck wiggled right as I popped. Oh man.
Is your ankle okay?
Yeah, no, I pulled my shoe off. That's why it looks like that. I'll be all right.
You need help? You need a chair?
Fetty's next. Yeah, I could use a chair. My body was going back this way while my leg was still like that.
Oh my goodness.
Did you?
Yeah, my low battery thing popped
go.
up, and I got on right when he was popping. I got
Oh
it.
no.
Okay, so
Get the Ouija board down! Fetty, get it down!
That thing is haunted. I'm never skating at the Braille house again.
All right, hashtag notification squad. Leave the best comment with hashtag notification squad for Troy's Scary Slam. Make sure that you're subscribed, that you have your notifications turned on, that you like and share this video. You will be entered to win a prize package from Braille. Okay, World's Strongest Board. We haven't done the chip test yet.
What's the chip test?
What do you mean, what's the chip test?
Oh. Oh my gosh! Is it okay?
Nothing.
Dude.
Literally, debris from the wall hit me in the eyes.
No, wait, look at my camera viewfinder. There's dust on it.
Look at my eyes. There's dust in them.
Literally nothing. Nothing.
Dang.
This is insane. Okay. Well, stomp test it, I guess.
No! No! Wow, that's the strongest board ever. Literally the strongest board we've ever seen.
That's too perfect. Doesn't even look broken.
Yeah, you guys should razor tail it. Whoa! What in the world?
Front lip slide off.
Oh, that was easy.
There's wood chips.
There's
in
wood?
there. It's the wood pieces.
Why?
I don't know. We discovered wood.
There's wood in there.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we have a challenge for you. Build an indestructible skateboard and send it to us, please. You guys can send your submissions in an email to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go. Let's make an indestructible skateboard. Let's see what you got. We want to see what you got. And we'll put it through the stomp test, the chip test, the tail scrape test, front lip test. We'll put everything we have into breaking it and see who can come up with the world's strongest skateboard. So let's go. Let's do this. All right, hashtag notification squad. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.